In SQL, we often have a cast statement. It stands for convert and store. It converts data types. But in SQL Server stored procedures, you're going to use a statement called convert. And this is going to convert something from one data type to another within the stored procedure temporarily. We're going to convert data. And this is how it's done in our stored procedure. We have an input parameter called char2bytes. It's character to data, to character. Now, we'll check if it's less than 1 or greater than 10, it's going to be out of bounds. But we convert char2bytes to an actual integer so that we can check if it's less than 1. And we do it again to check, oh, is it greater than the number 10? It's now an integer for this particular comparison. If it falls out of range, less than 1 or greater than 10, then we're going to actually put out a big message that says, okay, this whole piece right here says this is out of range. Once again, we convert our variable to an integer, check if it's less than 1, then we put out an error message. Number is less than 1. We check again with the conversion. Number is greater than 10. We're out of range. But if it falls through that, we know the number is going to be not less than 1 and greater than 10. We do our convert again, and now we've got our when 1, then 1, when 2, and so on. Watch how we create this and look what happens. We've created it. Now we're going to execute our stored procedure. We come down here, we run it. We're going to put the number 0. That should cause an error. It does. Number is less than 1. We'll put another one that's out of bounds. It's an 11. Number is greater than 10. So this next time, we're going to put a number in that is valid. Let's put in the number 5. When we run this, it's going to say the number is 5. That's how you put in the ability to convert data types right inside the stored procedure.
This lesson brought to you by Coffing Data Warehousing. If you have questions, we have answers. Check out coffingdw.com for some great offers on our training books. Unleash the genius within.